Here's an interesting app called HelloTalk language learning. So practice with native speakers. Pretty cool app. It's very high in charts in education category in the US App Store. So just yeah, very helpful use case if you're trying to learn a language. You can just practice this language from 40 million native speakers, chat with native speakers, share moments with others, find language partners, learn with language live streams, create community with voice room. So yeah, it's pretty cool idea. Like, if you want to learn some language, of course, there are apps like Duolingo where, you can get started, just very simple things. Then, okay, you just got the basics. Now we want to practice it in the real world. Well, then, okay, you can watch some movies with transcriptions. You can try to listen to some audiobooks, simple like kids audiobooks to learn, for example, if you learn in French, whatever. But then you still want to practice. But if you want to, for example, learn French and you don't live in France, it's like you really need to speak to people in there. Like you can't just watch movies all the time or something like that. So that's like a perfect use case for this app where you can just create an account and then just practice with native speakers. You can chat with them, you can just find them, and then you can just create and then here you can just limit access and then just select specific photos, for example, and then you just select those and then add it like that, and then I'm from, and then select your country, so native language. Then you can just select native language which you're speaking, just for you to better integrate in this app. And then learning which app you want to learn. So for example, then you can just select other like app and then which level you are at, and then how did you hear about the app, whatever, and then you're in. And then basically so here you can just see all the people here in the app, and then you can just join them and try to speak. You can see all their profiles, how it looks like. You can say hi, you can follow these people, you can allow notifications, and then you can connect. Then there is HelloTalk, you can just find partners again. Then there are moments. This is just basically a feed like Facebook or Instagram, and then there is live. There are some live chats, and then there is just your account. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool idea. So that's what it is. So then you can just explore it like that, and then just have fun.